I've made some great friends and I see a lot of familiar faces from coming to so many of these events. And I have on occasions just gone because I know I want to connect with that person and continue a conversation that I've had at the last event. I do try to move around to meet new people, and I sat with completely different people today, and that stimulated some great conversations. I design and teach knitting. My business is Dear Prue. As a sole trader, it's so beneficial to come along to something like this, where you're meeting so many different people, you're sharing stories, connecting, asking questions, hearing expertise from not just the people up on stage, but from the people at your tables.